Tutorial: Verifying Variable Assignments. To verify random variables, first click Test Activity. Variables are redrawn each time an activity resets. The name of the first PC will change in the instructions and in the workspace every time the activity is reset. The second PC draws from an element position in a pool, so it will stay static. This PC's IP address checks for the entire range from 192.168.?5 to 192.168.?250. The IP range is shown in the instructions window. We can try a few IP addresses to check the validity. Assessment item variables can be verified by looking at the Assessment Items tab. As expected, the IP address for the PC is correct. Close the Activity Results page and try another value for the IP address. The IP address is still marked as correct. Close the Activity Results page again and try an incorrect value for the IP address. The IP address is now out of the variable's range. Since it is out of range, the answer is now marked as incorrect. This ends the Verifying Variable Assignments tutorial.